hydraulic pump production company. Loction Sriperumbudur, Irungattukotai, Chennai. Gender male female. Pass out 2017 முதல் 2026 வரை. Qualification. AT, Diploma, B.Arm degree. Depertment. 1. Production. 2. Quality. 3. Assembly. Fresher experience. Salary 18,500 2000. Odd per hour 140 rupees. Increment, allowance. 3 shift, 8 hours duty. 3 year after on roll. Trainee. Benefits. Shift time food provide. Cab route Sriperumbudur, Kanchipuram, Thiruvallur, Poonamallee, Porur, Avadi, Ambattur, Guindy, Koyambedu. Contact 8531834551 887038022225